If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A17, then the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. If you were thinking about, for example, a wireless chargers, then unfortunately they are not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. So you have to use a USB cable. And in order to charge your phone, you have to connect your phone to anything, any device, or anything that pretty much provides a power through the USB cable. Of course, the perfect choice is a power adapter. And the only thing that you have to, well, maybe not the only thing, but what is quite important when purchasing a power adapter is, of course, the port that we have on the power adapter. In my case, I have a Xiaomi charger, and I have USB-A port over here. So I need to use a cable that is USB-C to USB-A. So it looks more or less like this, right? And if you have a USB cable that is USB-C on both ends, so like this one over here, and also the original cable is also USB-C, then of course in that case you have to have a power adapter that has USB-C port. Now, in addition to a power adapter, you can use pretty much anything, like I mentioned, that provides power, whether it is a power bank, computer, anything. These things also work. Of course, for example, if you use a computer, then the charging speed will be quite slow because you actually do not get that much power when charging with a computer or via a computer, but it still works. You can use your car if you have USB port in your car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So once again, anything that provides power via USB cable and it has USB port, then it can be used to charge Galaxy A17. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.